Beats headphones are everywhere right now, but which ones are actually worth your money in 2026? Today we're breaking down the 5 best Beats headphones and earbuds, from studio quality over-ears to true wireless buds built for the gym. All the buy links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And if you find this helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend who's shopping for headphones, and subscribe so you don't miss our next review. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the Beats Studio Pro Wireless, and this is hands down the best overall Beats headphone we've tested. These over-ears are seriously well built, with sleek color options like deep brown and navy to match your style. They come with active noise cancelling that won't quite beat flagship rivals like Bose or Sony, but it still knocks out a surprising amount of background noise, and when they go on sale, that slightly weaker ANC becomes an easy compromise to live with. Battery life is excellent too, lasting over 28 hours with ANC turned on, and you can even plug in wired if you're in a pinch, just know the mic won't work over that cable. Sound-wise, they're balanced and versatile, with plenty of thump and sparkle, though getting a proper seal really matters here for the bass to hit right. There's also a built-in DAC, so you can stream lossless audio through the USB-C cable, plus a few EQ presets that only unlock in wired mode. No H2 chip for instant Apple pairing, but spatial audio is still on board for that virtual surround sound experience. Moving on to number 2, the best Beats earbuds you can buy. Think of these as the sportier cousin of the Beats Studio Buds Plus, but honestly, they're a great everyday pick even if you're not hitting the gym. They pack an H1 chip for effortless pairing with iPhones and MacBooks, support Apple's spatial audio, and their ANC actually outperforms the Studio Buds Plus, handling everything from rumbling bus engines to plain noise with ease. There's no custom EQ here, but the default tuning is already well balanced, punchy kick drums, detailed vocals, just a touch harsh here and there. Battery life is the trade-off, just over 5 hours per charge, though the case gives you 3 extra top-ups. Fit is generally comfortable thanks to the stability fins, but if you've got smaller ears, that one-size-fits-most design might feel like too much pressure, so keep the Studio Buds Plus in mind as a backup option. Next up at number 3, crown the best Beats for sports and working out. This is the upgrade to the original Powerbeats Pro, and the headline feature is finally active noise cancelling, and it genuinely works, cutting through treadmill noise and clanging gym weights with ease. The over-ear hooks are back too, now more comfortable, just a little bulkier, keeping these locked in place through even the toughest workouts, which is exactly why they're our top pick for running, marathons included, especially with a solid 7-hour battery that'll get you through the whole race. Sound is balanced across the board, which is good, because the companion app is pretty barebones with no EQ adjustments available, and the microphone can sound a little muffled on calls. On the bright side, you get built-in heart rate monitoring that syncs with popular fitness apps on both iOS and Android, though accuracy can vary from person to person. They're also IPX4 rated, so light rain and sweat are no issue, and the H2 chip means seamless switching between your Apple devices on the same iCloud account. At number 4, we've got the best on-ear Beats headphone in the lineup. Beats has always been known for fun, colorful on-ears, and this one keeps that tradition alive with a lightweight build that stays secure, folds down small for travel, and has just the right amount of cushioning. Battery life is massive, we're talking 48 hours of continuous playback, and the sound tuning is smooth and balanced, with punchy bass on kicks and deep synths, plus natural, clear mids and treble that work across pretty much any genre. Connectivity is where these really shine, with Bluetooth, analog, and USB-C all supported, so you can plug into almost anything. The catch is there's no ANC, so you're relying on passive isolation, which means more outside noise gets through, something to consider if you're using these on long, noisy commutes. There's also no H1 or H2 chip for quick Apple device switching, and the app is fairly limited. And finally, at number 5, your best budget pick in the Beats lineup. These compact true wireless buds nail the basics, a portable design and a stable in-ear fit backed by 4 different ear tip sizes. They don't have the extra grip of the over-ear hooks or the stability fins from earlier picks on this list, so they're better suited for casual, everyday listening rather than intense workouts. Sound-wise, expect full bass, present upper mids, and a soft treble, a signature that works especially well for vocal-driven pop but holds up fine across other genres too. There's no ANC on board, but passive noise blocking does a decent job, even if it can't touch the noise isolation of our sports pick. Battery life is impressive for the price at 18.5 hours, though the case itself doesn't offer extra recharges. The biggest weak point is the microphone, which is underwhelming on calls, so if you're constantly on the phone, it might be worth looking at a different option. Just know you're trading down on battery life and getting a less modern design. And that wraps up our picks for the 5 best Beats headphones and earbuds of 2026. Whether you want premium over-ears, workout-ready buds, or a budget-friendly option, there's a Beats for every kind of listener on this list. All the buy links for every product mentioned today are right there in the description box, so go check them out. If this video helped you decide, drop a like, share it with someone who's headphone shopping, and hit subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.